So this year's Pride Week is Adore You. It's a combination of RMIT
and adore is like adorable, like love yourself.
It's a legacy event where we celebrate and embrace members of the LGBTIQAP+ community
and also to spread the spirit of diversity and inclusion throughout our school.
Hi everyone, my name is Sơn Lê. I'm using pronoun he, him, and I am a safer community advisor at RMIT Wellbeing.
Hi, my name is Nhã Khuê. My preferred pronouns are she, her. I'm currently the Diversity and Inclusion Officer of Student Council Generation 12, and for RMIT Vietnam's Pride Week 2023, I'm the project leader for Saigon South Campus.
Hi everyone, my name is Đinh Phạm Bảo Nghi and my preferred pronouns is she, her. I'm currently the Vice President of Student Council, and in RMIT Vietnam Pride Week 2023, I'm the supervisor from Student Council.
Actually, when we first started in the brainstorming phase, I had a meeting with Anh Sơn from Safer Community of RMIT Wellbeing, and we wanted a space for our members in the LGBTQIA community to come together in a more personal sense. How can we connect with them in a personal way, but they still feel safe and comfortable?
For the activity within the Student Council, we will have two main activities. The first one is like the sharing sections, where everyone can sit together and discuss about a topic relevant to LGBTQI+ community. And we also have a flag mob sections collaborated with dance club in both campuses to organize, a mutual choreography for everyone to dance together and connected to that activity. Besides, we also collaborated with Mind Club from Saigon South Campus to produce, a video about pronouns and to show the watcher about how to localize the pronoun culture in Vietnam, and that was great.
There's a big difference from this year's Pride Week and last year's Pride Week because we did have staff exclusive events, and we have two sessions to kind of like wrap up the week to really target the LGBTIQ staff and bring the conversation and discussion about parenting's LGBTIQ kids. And also, we want to support the LGBTIQ staff who think about a marriage life and who think about being a parent.
Ever since I come to Student Council, first as a diversity and inclusion member, and then becoming a vice president, I know that the missions of providing a safe and inclusive environment is broader than ever. And like my biggest visions ever since is that every voices of every single student in our student body, in our campuses is heard, is embraced, and biggest visions be amplified.
I think it's very common for young people in Vietnam and also for our student RMITs to experience the hardship when it comes to the situation that they kind of actualize and knowing their own sexual orientations and gender identities, but it's so hard for them to really come out and talk to their parents. Those stories actually always the motivation that we have to keep doing our work, to keep supporting the students.
Being an ally means that you support, and especially with the LGBTQIP+ community, it means that you cherish their characteristics, themselves, their journeys, as well as who they are.
So personally, I believe that every individual in this world is like unique and special. We have our own traits, we have our own characteristics, and we are one. We are just ourselves. Together, by taking actions in the community to promote diversity and inclusion, everyone can be treated with dignity and respect.
For safer community perspective, we do have to acknowledge that there's discriminations, stigmatizations, and also violence against LGBTIQ communities beyond RMIT campus. So I do want to bring the insight back to RMITs. I want the safer community initiative to tackle and to make sure that staff and student at RMIT are equipped with the knowledge and skill to deal with that kind of discriminations. And a part of it, one of my goals here is not just we work at RMIT and we feel safe, but we also want to enjoy the experience here at RMITs. We want to make friends here at RMITs and we feel safe about that too.
If I were to send a message to the allies, and not only in the RMIT community, but beyond, I would say that stand with your friends, first be respectful to other members of the community.
And also with the LGBTQI community, just one sentence for you: be true, be you, open the door for your heart, and adore yourself.
I got inspired a lot this year because the increase of number of staff who came out and who visibly engage and share the stories actually prove the success of the events. Also prove that we are here at RMIT's a safe and more inclusive campus.
The strength of the campaigns that RMIT has organized, that they are pioneering, they are such a new initiative that hardly any universities in Vietnam can promote it.